Hello there, I'm Ben, and I wanted to show you the skid shoes that I built for our B2601 for plowing. My problem is the bucket on our LX 2620 is still a 54-inch bucket, but it's 2 inches deeper, so these don't fit. So what I'm going to do is cut them in half and weld on a piece underneath so I can extend it that 2 inches to make it fit the new bucket. I have that like that. Yep, so I gotta clamp it there. That's what I gotta do. This is hard. Nope, too tight. We'll get her though. So what I've done, I just tacked it in place so I can fit it, and if all's good, then I'll weld it up well, and I'll be set for the winter. We haven't really had winter yet, just some cold weather. Yep, it'll work great. Okay, that one's done, or ready to be welded. So I got them all welded up. They're fitted and welded up. So I'll install them because it looks like we're going to get some snow tomorrow. Actually, really our first snow of the whole winter. So it was a bit of a rush job. We've got a big storm coming, and we can actually see the snow on the other side of the bay. But they're installed and we're all set, and I'll do a little touch-up after the storm, and as Joseph would say, a little bit of paint to hide the welder I ain't. I think if a welder saw my work, they might actually cry a little bit, but it sticks together. So thanks for watching, and take care.